guys, welcome back to another video. So it's Monday and I decided to vlog. How nice. I like this for me. So yeah guys, the weather is a bit gloomy and yeah, I guess I'm enjoying my Monday and it's late. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I just decided, you know what, from today I'm going to film this whole week. So yeah, without talking too much, let's get into the vlog. So guys, I just wanted to say something before I leave. So I was talking to my little sister earlier on and she was telling me that I talk too much on my vlogs. I don't know what you guys feel about that, but please comment down below if you think I talk too much on my vlogs and you want like snippets of videos. I don't know, but personally guys, I prefer talking to you guys. And yeah, even the vlogs that I watch, I prefer it when someone talks to me or when it's about talking, like the whole vlog. I don't know, that's just my preference, but I want to know, what do you guys prefer? So guys, personally I prefer that. I don't know, like if you like snippets of videos, or I feel like my vlogs are repetitive, or they might be, I don't know. So like when you say something different, imagine I show you snippets of me driving all the time, going there and coming back. I don't know guys, don't you get bored? Okay, please comment down below if you'd like snippets of videos, or you'd like to see me talk more, or would you like me to reduce? I don't know guys, like please can I have your honest opinion on that? So guys, this is what I'm looking for my little brothers. They are saving up, so I want to get them this. Though they are very expensive, these things. How much is this one? 120. I don't know, don't you have this kind, but maybe smaller than this? Guys, not me forgetting my card. When I wanted to buy those money bags. Okay guys, let's go back to the store.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. I forgot my card. Yeah, I'm doing a vlog. You know what a vlog is? So guys, I got this for my little brothers. They're going to use this to save money. So my mom said I must get them this to motivate them to be able to save their coins. So yeah. soda. Give mommy brain. Give mommy brain. Olebala. Ciao, thank you. Cuties, I bought KFC. I'm so hungry. I bought KFC. I bought a crunchy. I barely buy a burger, but today, you know what you do me something different. This is a burger. This is what I bought. And I also bought Scarlet. This is my favorite drink. Guys, there's a fly in here and it doesn't want to go out when I open the window. Hi cuties, so it's another day and I want to take you guys to do grocery with me and my mom, so let's go.
I'm gonna make
What I hate about ShopRite, there are long queues, guys. Yo, I am so impatient. Yo, I wish I can just leave this thing and leave. Ain't no way. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but no. Guys, we've been... If you see the queue, darling. Hey. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but yo, the queue. I'm already tired of standing already. Imagine. Like, why did we even come to ShopRite at the first place? You know this thing of doing grocery with your friend. My mom just directed us to come here. Guys. Let me show you my mom. She's there with her friend. I'm here. I don't know where to stand. I get you boots. There she is, guys. Like, she's with her friend. They are busy talking there. Nah, you didn't know. Guys, one thing about ShopRite, don't come and grocery here, especially like this time of the month, guys. Like, people have got their grants, so obviously, what do you expect? I am tired. Guys, I know the lighting is bad, but hey, I'm going to this other shop, Barikisha, the chips. Even at the drum with 31. get the chips and the rations. So we decided to buy ice cream instead because I can't leave this place without eating something. If you come to Mudimun, just know this place is the one for chips and rations. Like, they make the best. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them today. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna get ice cream for me and my mom and her friend. So, yeah. Okay, let me just look at myself and appreciate the beauty of God. Let me show you guys this place so that when you come here, you know, like, it's very clean. And yeah, I really love this place, guys. I usually don't buy these things because there was this picture on social media that was, I don't know if it was trending, where like there's this Indian shop where they were selling chips. They were using what do you call that? Scotland, guys. What's Scotland again? Now it's okay. I forgot. So it was so dirty, guys, and inside they were selling chips. Imagine. Come on, the fries. Come, so yeah, I'm just plucking you guys because this place is very, very clean. Let me show you guys. Guys, I don't wanna lie, I'm so tired. My vlog will continue tomorrow. I got myself ice cream. I have hour, guys. These are too much. It's late. I'm so tired. I've been walking like crazy. I want to show you guys something. Like, I know I don't usually walk, but my watch tells me how many steps have I made in a day. So I'm going to insert a clip of that so that you can see that I walked, guys. Like, I tried. I really, really tried. Hi, kitties. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys are good. I'm also good. I just want to take you guys with me to the salon. I don't know if there's anything that I'm going to do, but I'm surely going to take you guys with me. So stay tuned. How cute is my hair? One thing about my hair. So guys, I just finished I just finished at the salon. Yo, guys, it was so untidy and a lot of things. So yeah, I'm back and I don't think we're going to do much. Yo, it's hot. It's too hot. I don't think we're going to do much, but I think we're gonna go home. I think just now, but I just want to get some ice cream or something so that I can cool down because it's so hot. So yeah, this is my Saturday. I think when I get home I'm gonna cook. I'm not sure, like guys, but kitumile hobe ka soap le acha. So yeah, let's go home, guys. I'm not sure I'm going to pass by the garage, or we are going to pass by the garage and pour petrol, and then yeah, maybe get an ice pop or ice cream or something, and then when I get home I'm gonna cook. So see you.